Nueva Valencia, officially the municipality of Nueva Valencia. Hiligaynon, Banwasang Nueva Valencia. Tagalog, Bayan ng Nueva Valencia, is a third-class municipality in the province of Guimaras, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 42,771 people. History of Nueva Valencia. The history of Nueva Valencia, just like that of other towns in the island of Guimaras, dates back to the time when Himalos, Guimaras was Christianized by the Spaniards in 1591. The towns were known as Pueblecitos, village of Nayop, Binavista with San Pedro Apostol as patron saint, Nabilhan, Hordan with San Juan Bautista as its patron saint, and Agang, Valencia, whose patrons was Santa Ana. Although, during the Spanish regime, there were separate powers between the church and the state. Yet the church had much influence in the creation of pueblecitos, towns, and establishment of parishes. During the Spanish regime, Valencia was already an independent municipality with the late Don Manuel Segovia as alcalde mayor. Christianization of people of Nueva Valencia started almost simultaneously with all other places in the Philippines. This place was originally called Valencia. It was headed by the alcalde mayor. The Casa Real was situated in the pueblecito of Santa Ana, which now is called the Poblacion, which also the seat of the municipal government at present. When the Casa Real was burned with an unknown cause, the name Valencia was changed to Nueva Valencia, which was once part of the municipality of Hordan. On January 1, 1942, the municipality of Nueva Valencia was formally inaugurated with Don Florentino Galopa as the first appointed municipal mayor, and the seat of municipal government was located at the Igbantog, Santa Ana. But for the lack of facilities like municipal buildings and others, the office was temporarily housed at the police station in Barrio Igang until World War II. It was in the year 1949, during the term of office of the late Mayor Ricardo Ortiz, when the issue for final permanent site as the seat of municipal government was raised by political leaders. A plebiscite was held for such purpose, and the majority's decision was to transfer the seat of municipal government permanently to Sitio Igbantog, Santa Ana, which became the permanent seat of municipal government up to the present. Nueva Valencia is known for its numerous white sand beaches, including the popular Alubihod Beach and Tacloban Island Beach, as well as such as the island of Giwanon or Gianon, Panubolon, and etc. Gisi Lighthouse, considered the second oldest lighthouse in the Philippines, is also one of the attractions in the municipality. Gisi Lighthouse, located at the island of Guimaras. Gisi Lighthouse is the second oldest lighthouse in the Philippines. It was built to light the Philippine seas and channels in order to guide the ships to and from Manila, Iloilo, and Cebu. You will have to take 15 minutes uphill trek to reach the lighthouse, wherein you can see the beautiful ruins and stunning nature views. After visiting the lighthouse, you can opt to relax and unwind the Gisi Beach. You can navigate your way around the ruins or even climb the lighthouse yourself. It is already very old and the materials may not be sturdy anymore. so make sure to always be careful. Don't worry because the view at the top is worth it. Sadsaran Festival is derived from the term sadsad, which is a common term for dancing used by the Valencianos, especially by the elders. Sadsaran Festival is a cavalcade or kaleidoscope of dances meant to showcase evolution of dances from the old days to the present, depicting the costumes and traditions of the different barangays of Nueva Valencia, taking into the account the influence of the Americans, Spaniards, and Japanese colonizers. Celebrate on the first week of January.